ka Train Nurse Association of India Unit Civil Hospital Nongpoh henne ka sing khat sautrik Jamang ka Rakhe ka sing kerpang jungki ya ka bala tip kum ka nurse day bala penlong a civil hospital Nongpoh halor ka phang our nurse our future the economy power of care ya ka ne ka singila ju Rakhe ka man la ka sna ma khat artrik Jamang banle burom halor ki kam bala senyang de nong train nurse hakane ka singil awan bandan bantalang da Dr. Dibla Medical Superintendent Civil Hospital Nongpoh haka jiado ringkat ke Dr. TS Mumin District Medical and Health Officer Riboy District ki nurse na ka Civil Hospital Nongpoh bat ki kena puli ke GNM School of Nursing Palms im Nongpoh haba ajing kran hakane ka singi ke Dr. Dibla bat ke Dr. TS Mumin kila ai ka jingero e barok kinos ke bal IT met bat man sim ban ai ka jing syakri ka bahatam hakal yang ka koy yakya syaki badan kam ka jing sumar kila yaro ru iki nurse ki basyam ka ka kam ka ba khmat e ban yarab iki nongpang kajuk ke por kila kan turu bakin long ki babha ka jing syakri daga bapen I khmat phu samrki bat ka jing e
each year to mark the contribution that nurses make to our society. Today, let us recognize not only their skills and knowledge, but also their empathy and humanity. Nurses are not just first caregivers, but they are the heart and soul of healthcare, tirelessly working to ensure the well-being of patients with compassion, expertise, and dedication. Nurses stand strong, providing comfort and care to those in need. They are the frontline heroes, selflessly putting the needs of others above their own, often working long hours in challenging conditions. As a nurse, you have the opportunity to heal the mind, the soul, heart, and body of the patients. They may forget your name, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Nurses are the beating heart of our medical system. This is what I feel for each and every one of you. You know, I've had many good moments and experience with my friends, the nurses' friends in the past. I have learned so much from them. You know, like learning from small people or big people, remember that asking and learning is also knowledge. Nurses are my companions throughout, who have supported me throughout. Like I've always said, in all my, whenever we have a get-together with the nurses, I've always said that I spend 5 minutes with a patient, but a nurse will spend 6 hours of life every day with the patient. And every time my patient recovers, the credit goes to my nursing friends. I Googled a little bit and I found the 6 C's of nursing. That is care, compassion, courage, communication, commitment, and competence. So these are the qualities that a nurse has to have to be a nurse. Yes, it is. A nurse is very unique. So you wear your uniform proudly, whether in the hospital or in the field. And you be caring and compassionate with the patients. Be encouraging. You need to give hope to your patient.